Togi, Tongi, and MCE battling it against
Boss Dogs, pinasok agad.
Reaper and Bull Hasla.
Boss Reaper, sayang, natibig the legs. Tongi, nailed up, cannot connect. Ganadong ang ating Team Tongi and Imprint Customs. This will be a jump battle.
Alam mo, this one is bakit nakapagpahinga, no? So, let's see.
Ito na si Boss Dogs. Loses it. Reaper, steal.
SK defense
Reaper to
Mr.
Mr. Mainit for 2 points.
Starting this.
Boss Dogs.
SK defender here. Or Reaper.
Boss Dogs with Reaper defending. Oh, what a spin move by Boss Dogs. And makes it up and gets it
Into
in.
the cup.
Here we go. Imprint Customs. Oh, what an easy layup. MCT hoops. Fighting. Donkey, here we go. Oh, too strong. Reaper for 2. Cannot connect to MCT to Boss Dogs. Boss Dogs will try in the paint. Cannot connect. Ball Hasta will try in the paint. Cannot connect.
Got an rebound.
Here we go, Boss Dogs again, defending. Boss Dogs with Donkey. Ball Hasta with a steal. Ball Hasta. Oh, between
what
the
a move.
legs of Donkey. And he hits it, and he finishes it. Wow. MCT defended by Mr. Mainit. Oh, and a block for Ball Hasta.
Doggy,
Mr. Mainit. Here we go, Mr. Mainit. Oh, what an end-one play.
Mr. Mainit.
And Mr. Mainit is asking if there's a foul. But it's good.
Hindi ba natin nararamdaman dito? MCT hoops ha.
Here we go, Boss Doggy setting up the play. Sizing up Reaper. And it goes in for Boss Doggy.
Doggy able to score once again.
Ganado si Boss Dogs.
Si MCT Group sa main ko, alam ko bakit hindi nalagaraman na siya din. Mr. Mainit, hindi mo kapantay.
Oo, pero
Matindi mo
matindi ang challenge for MCT dito.
Big challenge here for MCT, no?
Narinig tayo.
Jumper!
Ano daw yung sinasabi mo, Pausalud?
Nagparamdam CT. Reaper for Ball Hasta. Ball Hasta sabi, bukas kayo. Oh, foul by Donkey. Napakalinis ang dila ni MCT Hoops. And right now, ang gumagawa sa Team Doggy is si Bossing Doggy himself. Oh my, eto na. Ganadong-ganasa si Boss Dogs. Too short. MCT Hoops and connects. Reaper will try for 2. Too short. Oh, still. Oops. What a hustle play by Mr. Mainit. Mr. Mainit.
Diving for the ball.
Grabe. What a scrimmage between Mr. Mainit and Donkey.
Walang gustong pagbigay, ano?
Kaliyap pa eh. Lumiliyap talaga si Mr.
Braso sa braso.
Diving for the ball.
Here we go, Ball Hasta. Ball Hasta setting up the play. Ball Hasta sizing up MCT Hoops. And an easy layup for Ball Hasta.
Of the dribble,
Nasa na po si MCT Hoops. Grabe ang depensa po ni Mr. Mainit with MCT Hoops.
Ramdam na ramdam mo talaga eh.
Alam mo, alam ng Imprint Customs paano gusto si MCT. Kaya grabe yung ginagawang depensa.
MCT Hoops driving to the paint and an easy layup for
First step,
MCT.
mas mabilis yung first step eh.
Dinaan sa bilis that time.
Dinadaan sa bilis ni Reaper. Pass to Bolhasta, driving to the paint,
Tumabay.
and cannot connect.
Here's a foul on the rebound.
And a substitution of Bull Reaper and Bolhasta. Bounce in and double A in.
And the backups checking in for Ingrid Customs. Bounce TV and double A.
Hoy, harap! Nice one.
Bounce and a rebound.
Mamaya.
We are tied at 5 apiece. More than 5 minutes remaining.
Bounce. Driving inside. Doing the dance.
Grabe talaga.
Oh, what's up? 30 moves.
Gusto mo ba yun? Sasayawan ka?
Definitely, pero gusto ko acting yung sasayaw.
Yun.
Pag-open tira ha!
Here we go. Double A.
Gita kayo ba?
Double A. Attempting for two. No good. MCT will try for two. Still no good.
Likod!
Double A.
Gita!
Will try in the paint. Pass to bounce. Too short.
Mahina.
Boss Doggy. Wants the ball. Boss Doggy. Ganado. Driving inside the paint. Lays it up. And cannot connect.
Tatlo!
And this time, double A with the ball.
Kaya ba,
Lines it up for two.
And cannot connect. And now, Patricio with the ball. Patricio to MCT. MCT will drive for two. 2 points for MCT.
That is a
Mr.
long
Mainit.
shoot.
Papalikan daw ni Mr. Mainit pero cannot connect. Oh wow, what a block for MCT.
What a
Hoops.
rejection.
Sabi ni Boss Doggy, relax na akong bahala sa inyo.
3 to shoot.
One, two points from MCT Hoops from downtown.
How in the world that shot went in?
Ibang klase ng bata na to.
With 1 second left in the shot clock.
Goodness gracious.
Oh, what a block.
Patricio with a block.
Double A block by Patricio.
Alam mo, we have to see it once again.
Swak talaga lagi.
Here we go, 1 second left.
Ito yun.
Oh,
Time out.
and the swish. Wow. MCT draining it from downtown.
MCT hopes to knowing shot clock's winding now has to fire it and still buries it. 9-6, 3-point lead for Team Doggy.
Ibang klase, mainit talaga ang Team Doggy, MCT and Boss Dogs combining their energies and hustle plays.
So we had 3 minutes, 29 seconds remaining, and a 3-point lead from Team Doggy against Imprint Masters.
Nice one, Kuya Ken!
Ito na sabi ni Mr. Mainit, akong bahala kay MCT Hoops. Here we go, MCT Hoops trying for two.
George!
Overshooting.
Up to the left baseline for MCT. Alam mo, gusto niya ito, may sumasabay.
Ball hustler, penetrating, cannot connect. MCT with the rebound, MCT looking for the teammates, attempting hesitation, step back, almost loses it. Oh, and almost hitting the two. Ball hustler, hesitation on the mid-range. Oh wow,
Uy, Hasla back, you know.
dancing play.
Patricio's all about it for the baseline side arc.
Cannot connect. MCT for the rebound. MCT almost losing it with bounce. And the ball is staying with.
Blue ball!
We'll go to Imprint Customs.
Same ball with Team Doggy. Team Doggy.
Abol!
Here we go. MCT with Boss Dogs. Boss Doggy, kitang-kita. Ganado. Reverse! Layout for Boss Dogs.
Sa kabila pa, kinuha.
Grabe. Here we go. Mr. Mainit looking for two. Cannot connect. Patricio for the rebound. Pass to MCT. MCT looking for two. Hesitation. Pass to Boss Dogs. Boss Dogs for two.
1 point!
No good. Mr. Mainit.
10-7.
Pass to bounce. Looking for going inside the paint. Pass to Mr. Mainit for two. Too short.
Way of the mark.
Bounce and a block by Boston.
And Doggy complaining that it's all ball.
Ayun.
Ball na daw.
Yung boss ko,
Sabi ni Boss, bola. Bola lang, boss.
So one play draw kami natin for Bounce TV.
3-point lead for in favor of Team Doggy. And Bounce loses it. Wow.
Bounce is out of bounds.
And of course, there's over that time for Inverted Customs.
Here we go, Boss Dog setting up the play.
2 minutes ha, 2 minutes.
Sizing
Ball
up.
Hasla.
Ball Hasla. To Boss Dogs, to MCT, get a connect. Ball Hasla. Setting up the play. Looking inside, going inside, pulling it up, and gets it in.
5 points now for Ball Hasla. Out of the 8 points for Inverted Customs.
Patricio falling for two.
Sumabit.
Sumabay ka ba ang morning to Patricio?
Time out.
That was a 3-point play for Patricio.
So, and one for Patricio as we go on to this timeout.
That timeout is brought to you by Gatorade, the official drink of Motivated 3x3, Midas Smart Resource Corporation. We build better future one job placement at a time. Philo Philippines is Paulding, the official basketball of Motivated 3x3.
Grabe yung intensity ng game na to. And we only have 1 minute and 17 seconds left on the timer.
No scoring ball game, but an action-packed one. Bonus shot for Patricio Mises. Magpahiyahan pa ng una.
Sabi ni Paul na amo yan tayo ng mag-head.
So yung Inverted Customs getting one chance to come closer.
Dikit kayo, dikit.
Ball
There we go,
Hasla.
Paul Hasla. Goes inside, pulling it up, can connect. MCT, handling the ball. MCT, defended by Mr. Mainit, and there's a foul call.
Offensive foul on Patricio.
An offensive foul for Patricio and subdivision. Patricio out, Donkey in.
Lucky break for Inverted Customs.
Here we go, Paul Hasla, attempting for two. No good.
Up to the right.
MCT Hoops. MCT Hoops looking for his teammate. Pass to Boss Dog. Sabi ni Boss Dog, team kayo. Ako paala sa inyo. Mid-range shot. And it's too strong.
This is everything that line for Boss Dogs.
Medyo pagpunta rin yata eh.
Pero grabe yung energy ng both team. At grabe ito si Boss Dog ngayon. And a pushing foul for Boss Dog.
40 seconds.
Boss Dogs leading his case.
Reject, 40
And
seconds.
again, our officials.
Boss Dog versus Paul Hasla. Here we go. Paul Hasla. And connects on the two.
Double A hitting that back even to one
Dikit,
point.
dikit,
MCT
dikit.
looking to go inside. And what a defense by Mr. Mainit. Kitang-kita niyo naman talaga sumusunod po sa galaw si Mr. Mainit with MCT having a tough time. Here we go again. Step back. Get a connect. And what a rebound for Paul Hasla. Paul Hasla pushing through. Boss Dogs pulling it up and get a connect.
Misses that line and
15 seconds left.
you don't need to foul if you are.
Here we go, MCT, go inside. And a foul with Paul Hasla.
2.5 seconds on the shot clock. 2.5 seconds on the shot clock.
And two-point lead for Team Doggy and the possession Team
foul.
Doggy 2-point attempt. Penalty next.
And it will go from Nipsey. 2
3 seconds.
Hasta for the tie. Oh! And that should do it.
That's it. Our winner, Team Doggy. And what a scuffle.